Hello guys, namaste. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Swati and today I'm going to do the most awaited video, which is my makeup collection. So I just got ready to shoot this video, obviously. So I'm gonna show you what makeup I do have. Just a disclaimer, all the products you are going to see is purchased by me or by my father obviously. So nothing is sponsored, nothing is like a PR or something. So without any further ado, let's get started. Here I am. I know, pretty black dress it is. It's so beautiful. And this is how my drawers looks like. It's a big mirror. There's are two cupboards. There are 6 drawers. So I'm gonna show you with this this cupboard, and this is my skincare. So the top of this I keep my cleansing balm, my lens solution, also tissue, just to clean my hands. The second thing is here all my moisturizers and serums. So you can see these are all. So I have Innisfree, Dot and Key. So this is almost finished. Like la guys. And yeah, this is not finished and this is just new. So I am using this. Also I have Dr. Shades and Episoft. Everything here. On the third shelf I have moisturizer and my serum. This is the L'Oreal Smooth Intense Hair Serum. So I have Extenso. I do have Body Shop lotion, then my micellar water and Neutrogena. This is my favorite, and this is the night cream, night mask. Also I have few of my samples and essential oils kept here. So I got this Innisfree white pore wala thing, but I haven't used this, and this is almost finished. This is the tea tree anti blemish. And the last shelf is my lip balm. So these are all my lip balms, and here is my cotton pads, my toner. So I keep my toner and cotton pad here. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you my second shelf. So here are my all jewelries, necklaces, earrings and everything. If you want to see, please comment down below. I will show you in a separate video what I have. So at second thing I have this box which I keep my oil absorbing sheets, my manicure kit. This is the mirror. It's a beautiful mirror my sister got for me. This box is from Miniso, I think you know. And I have like a bullet lipstick kind of thing going on here. So I have a lot of things like Sugar, Nelf, West Side, again Sugar, NYX. Also the best is like this, the Chanel, the MAC. These are all Maybellines. I have again Maybelline. So I have a lot of bullet lipstick, so I keep it here. At there I keep my beauty blenders, my kajal, eyeliners, all are here. These are all my makeup brushes and my setting spray. So I have this little MAC one. Also the pack, the Fix Plus, MAC, Wet n Wild, NYX. Here I keep all my lash glue, and these are chota kajal which weren't going anywhere. A lip liner, so I have lip liner from MAC. I do have lip liner from Maybelline, and this is from, I got in my fab bag I think this month. Then Wet n Wild, also some of here and there brands. Also this is my eyeliners which are very small to go anywhere. So I have this Sugar brown and black liner. Also I have the Color Bar, the Colossal Maybelline, and this is from Sugar, I guess. Yes, it's from Sugar. So here is my thing, and the last thing I have is my all scrunchies or rubber bands, my clips, and these are tools, all the perfumes tools like a razor, hand cream, sharpeners, nail cutter, eyelash for this, means everything which I need any time, so I keep these in my hand. So let me show you my first drawer. So the first drawer have all my face makeup. So I have all my foundations here. So these are the L'Oreal Infallible ones. I have 3 of them. Then I have NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, 2 of them. Then I have Maybelline, like 4 of them. Then I have Sugar Ace of Face foundation stick. Then I have 2 of the matte foundation with me. Then I have some BB cream, also the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. Then Pond's, Garnier, Lakme Color Bar. These are all the foundations. So here are all my primers. This is the Nykaa Prep Me Up. So then I have 2 of Sugar and 1 is from Wet n Wild. I have concealers. I have 2 of the Maybelline Age Rewind. This is almost finished. I don't know if you can see or not, like this is almost finished, and this is like quite full. So yeah, I am waiting. Then I have this Maybelline Affinity Tone. So I don't think this is yet launched in India. My sister got this for me from her place. And I have the LA Girl Pro Conceal. Then Sugar. Here I have all my face products, in the sense face powders. So these are from Maybelline. This is the Sugar translucent powder, which I haven't used a lot. Then I have the Maybelline. Then I have NELF Color Bar. This one is from Ukraine. Then I have kept highlighters. I have very few highlighters. So this is the Sugar Contour. This is how the palette looks like. It's beautiful. Also I have 2 of mini highlighters from Sugar. So this was broken, so I had to do this. Is really new. I haven't used this, so I don't think I'm gonna use this. Then here I have all my eyebrow products. So these are from Wet n Wild. I have 2 of them. Then I have again a black in Wet n Wild, 2 of Minisos, and 1 is from Maybelline, 1 is from Sugar. Also I have 1 more highlighter. This is again also from Sugar. You can see I have all the highlighters from Sugar. Here are 2 mousse. So this is the Maybelline and this is by Essence. I have the PAC Bouncy Primer. Also this is the PAC Moisturizer, which I used as a primer. So yeah, this was the first drawer. Let's go into the second drawer. I have all my eye product here. So I have all the palettes. The Makeup Revolution palette, and there I have again a Makeup Revolution palette. It's a Sugar palette. It's a beautiful Sugar palette, by the way. Gorgeous, right? Then I have this Maybelline Nudes palette, which I have used very badly. Then this was given by my sister. This is a makeup palette from there, which is also used. So these are the 2 palettes in shade Adorable and Blush Nude. So these are also given by my sister. And okay, let me show you. These are one of the favorite eyeshadow palette. So these are one of my favorite eyeshadow palette. It retails for 200 or something. These are all mousse ones. So I got in like 2 shades. Some of the shades are repeating here itself, but I think it's worth it because they are creamy, highly pigmented. If you're looking for an affordable mousse eyeshadow, look for these. These are from Swiss Beauty Art Mousse eyeshadows. Then I have this LCF palette. It's again from Ukraine. So these have some of pressed glitter. I hope you can see 3 of them. Then I have this white eyeshadow. I don't know for what I should use this, but yeah. Then again I have this Ellen palette, again from Ukraine. This is a beautiful, very pigmented eyeshadow palette. Then I have this Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette, which is beautiful. It looks so beautiful. Even these are like mousse texture, this one and this and this. Then I do have this Sugar Blender Rules eyeshadow palette. This is green. It's highly dirty. Then I have this little Maybelline eyeshadow. I don't know what should I call it, because it were available before, but I don't think so these are available now, and I think this is pretty much expired, but just because I love them, that's why I've kept them. I don't use them anymore. I do have the Body Shop Down to Earth eye palette. So here it is, a beautiful brown toned palette. Also this is a Metallic Studio. This is again from Lemel, so it's from Ukraine again. And the last palette is this Wet and Wild. It's a beautiful Rose in the Air palette. I just love it. And this is highly pigmented, guys. If you are a beginner, go for these eyeshadow palettes. Yeah, it has a lot of fallouts, but I think you can manage it if you dust it off. So here are all my eyelashes, false eyelashes. So I have Maximum from PAC. So these are like mink lashes. It is M72. Then I have M73. Then I have PAC 54. A lot of PAC. So these are all PAC. So here it is the Bronson. This is PAC M72. It's by Bronson brand, but I haven't used it yet. Also these are some local ones which I have used it. These are like 3 pairs. These are from Becos. So yeah. Also I do have one lashes from Nykaa, but trust me, their quality is not worth it. Like, these are plastic ones, cheap. Here I keep my all liquid eyeshadow. So I have these many Swiss Beauty. So yeah, like 6 of them are from Swiss Beauty. These are some local ones. I got it from Commercial Street somewhere. So this is the Disguise eyeshadow stick. Then I have the K Beauty metallic eyeshadow stick. Then I do have Wet n Wild. I have all my mascaras here. So 3 of them are from Essence. So I have the Lash Princess mascara, Get Big Lashes Volume Boost. And this is I Love Extreme. I think this one is pretty good. Even this one, I'm not very fond of this one, but these both are my favorite. I have the Vicon one, which is not working. I do have 2 of Maybelline Curl Volume Express. Then I have the Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. Also the NYX Full Figured lashes. These both are absolutely amazing. I do have this fake nails which I got it from Shein, but I don't know what I am supposed to do now because I don't have the glue. My last third drawer, which has all my things, like these are all my curlers, machines and all. This is the Derma Suction one, which I'm not going to deep because I haven't used it that well. So this drawer contains all my lip products and blushes. So I have lot of lip products. You saw my bullet lipsticks. These are Maximum crayons. So like I have Sugar, Lakme, again Sugar, Wet n Wild, NYX, the Balm. Also I do have the NYX, also Miss Claire. So this is the Faces, Maybelline. Okay, one of MAC finally. MAC, Chambord. Then this is the Matinee lip crayon. Body Shop. This is the Miss Claire. This is the beautiful. This is the Body Shop one. I have this Lakme color bar. This is the Elf lipstick palette, which is a shiny lipstick. I don't use it that well. In there I have a lot of liquid lipstick. So I have 2 or 3 of glosses. I think this is the diamond lip gloss from Nicka K. Then I have this. Where is the gloss? So here it is the gloss. This is the Ellen Sleek color. Then I have NYX lingerie. Then I have Sugar, NYX lip tease. I have 2 of this puff, by the way. I got it one for my sister, but I have used them now. So this is the powder puff. Again NYX liquid suede. This is also suede. Also I have 2 of this L'Oreal one, which is a beautiful consistency. This is I Explore. I represent one of my favorite color. This is the Chanel Rouge Allure liquid powder. Then I have 2 of this Disguise. This is a pretty brown color, guys. If you haven't used it, use it. It's a pretty great color. Then I have Sugar. Then I have Miniso. This is from Miniso. And yeah, lot of them. Then I have this small lipstick or bullet lipstick, which I have in Space. So I have 2 of MAC here. One is in the shade Default Danger. So this is my first MAC lipstick, which my sister got it. And this is a beautiful satin. This is the Captive. Very pretty color. Then I have like little Sugar lipstick and Smudge Me Not. And these are some of the lipstick. This Maybelline Wet n Wild. Yeah. Also I do have lot of blushes. So this is the blush from La Mer. Then I have MAC. This is the Extra Dimension blush. Then I have Fit Me. Then I have Wet n Wild, 2 of again the Maybelline Color Show one. And this is the Nicka K, which is a very pigmented. Then I have a palette which my sister got for me. This is the NYX palette. I think you can even get this here in India. So it has like 2 of glitter blushes, then brown, pink, purple, coral, and pink again. So this is a beautiful palette. In the second drawer I don't have a lot of makeup, but I do have so here are all my contours palette. So this is the next 3 steps to sculpt. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow contour palette. Then I have this NYX concealer and contour. Then I have this Maybelline strobing liquid. I do have the Sugar contour force palette, which has 1 highlighter, 1 contour, and 1 blush. Then I got this beautiful cream shadow from Bodyography. It's so beautiful that I don't want to use it. I hope you can see this. How beautiful is this? Then I have the Elegant Pro Contour Powder. This is again from Nicka K Dew. So I kept some of my glasses here like this. I do have quite a lot of nail paints. These are from Sugars. Then I have Faces. Then I have Nykaa, some another brand. This is Studio West. These are Maybellines. And yeah, I get 4 to 5 of them from in my subscription bag. So I also have these nail paint removers. These are from Color Bar. I love their nail paint removers. I adore them. Their quality is A1 and the products are all A1 quality. I do keep my sunglasses, some of them here. I do have the some of like products here, but these are not makeup related. These are my extras and skincare, which I'm not gonna show. So that was my makeup collection and I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel and also tell me आपको क्या क्या पसंद आया मेरे makeup collection में से, and हम जल्दी ही मिलेंगे. Bye.